Hello, my name is Ivan. I am founder of pedalsurfcroatia.com. We are a team specialized for organizing stand-up paddleboarding adventures at the Baćina Lake and around the Neretva Valley in Croatia.
Hi, I'm Mati, I come from central Poland, so good advice for you. You have to come here to Baćina Lake, to Neretva for the good spots for windsurfing, kitesurfing, good paddle.
Hello. We are from Budapest, Hungary, and we found this place by a lucky accident. We are second time here. Last time 2 years ago. It was really fun, so we decided to came back again, and we definitely advise you to come as well to Pedal Surf Croatia. Yes. Ciao. Bye bye.
My name is Jose. I'm a co-founder of Atrapamundo. We're a specialized travel agency in the stand-up paddle around the world, and we are today in Tanka Punta, a very special place in the Baćina Lake region in Croatia, with our friend Ivan from Surf Bacina. If you want to have a great experience stand-up paddling, friends, experienced, non-experienced, family, come along. It's a great place. Clear water, isolated beaches, nice little barbecue secret area. Man, if you want to have the best fish in town, you should be here. We'll see you around.
I'm Carolyn and I'm from the UK.
I'm Carlos, I'm from Brazil.
And we are paddling 12 marathons across Europe on our stand-up paddleboard made out of plastic bottles to raise awareness of the problems of plastic pollution in the ocean and our waterways.